Riding out the storm. A guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a very popular English phrase, riding out the storm. This expression is not only vivid and descriptive but also carries a powerful message of resilience and endurance. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone interested in the nuances of the language, understanding this phrase will add depth to your English communication skills. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase, riding out the storm, to its literal components. To ride out something means to endure or survive a difficult situation, often with the implication of doing so passively or by maintaining one's current course. A storm, in the most basic sense, refers to a severe weather condition characterized by strong winds, rain, thunder, lightning, or snow. When we put these two together, the literal interpretation involves surviving a storm by staying the course or by seeking shelter until it passes. While understanding the literal meaning is important, the beauty of this phrase lies in its figurative application. Riding out the storm is often used metaphorically to describe going through a tough period or facing challenges in life, work, relationships, or any situation where there's turmoil or difficulty. The storm represents any stressful or challenging circumstances, while riding out suggests enduring these challenges without being overwhelmed or giving up. It's about resilience, patience, and the strength to persevere until conditions improve. To help you grasp how this phrase is used in everyday language, let's look at a few examples. 1. During economic downturns, many small businesses struggled to survive, but ours managed to ride out the storm by adapting quickly. 2. In personal challenges, after her surgery, Maria had a tough recovery ahead. She knew she just had to ride out the storm until she felt better. 3. In relationships, every couple has their ups and downs, but it's important to ride out the storm together. These examples show that riding out the storm can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing endurance and the hope of a better outcome. Now that you understand what it means and how it's used, incorporating riding out the storm into your language can add depth to your conversations. Use it when you want to encourage someone going through a hard time or to reflect on your own experiences of overcoming difficulties. It's a reminder that storms, whether literal or figurative, do pass, and there is calm ahead. Thank you for joining me to explore the meaning and use of riding out the storm. I hope this video has illuminated not just the phrase itself but also the resilience and hope it represents. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions they convey. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember that sometimes, riding out the storm is the bravest thing you can do. Goodbye, and take care.